Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a page over on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow up all the steps properly, and let's begin. A Facebook page is a platform provided by Facebook that allows businesses, organizations, public figures and individuals to establish an online presence and engage with their target audience. So first of all, open up your Facebook application and simply log in with your account. If you don't have one, then just do create one so that you can follow along. After setting up your account and logging in, you will be able to see an interface like this. Here at the center, your timeline will be displayed. Now just click on your profile located at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll a bit until you see Pages section. Once you find it, just click on it. Users can create a page to represent a business, promote a cause, share information, provide updates, and interact with their followers through the posts, videos, and live streams. Facebook page offers various features and tools including insights and analytics to track page performance, the ability to schedule posts, targeted advertising options to reach specific demographics, and the options to invite others to like and follow the page. Let's continue the video. Inside the page section, you will be able to see all of the pages you own currently. To create a new page, click on create icon at the top. It will ask you to type in the name of your page, name it anything you want, and then you will need to select the type of your page. Basically, what it means is to define the need of your page in the Facebook page community. You can select anything you want. I'm going to select tech and science. After selecting it, you would have to upload all of the information about the page along with your credentials. You will also need a profile and a cover for the page, and after uploading it, your page creation is completed. Facebook pages play a vital role in establishing an online presence, building a community, and leveraging social media for marketing, brands, and communication purposes. You can also view it as an outsider by clicking on these three dots menu and selecting View Ads. To add action buttons, again go over to three dots menu and select Action Buttons. You can also edit your page by clicking on Edit button at front. And you're done. So that's all for today's video, guys. This is how you can create a Facebook page. So hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.